Hey there, my name is Juan Pendes. I'm the lead video marketing specialist here at Optimum 7, and I'm here to tell you that you can easily rank on the first page of Google search results using video. As we all know, ranking on the first page of Google is not only difficult, but very costly as well. You need to optimize your site when it comes to SEO, site speed, usability, and much more. And that doesn't even begin to cover the fact that you need to fight so much competition to rank for these results, and on top of that, these ads get in the way. What if I told you there was an easy, cheap way to rank on the first page by using video? Very often, when people search on Google, they would much rather watch a video than read a blog post or click on some random site. They trust YouTube will have good content that is relevant to their search query, and video is much more easy to consume. On top of that, as we know, Google loves Google, and YouTube is owned by Google. So by leveraging your YouTube videos and optimizing them, it is very easy to rank on the first page of Google search results when it comes to certain terms. The key thing is to make sure Google shows videos on the first page of results for the term that you are trying to rank for. At Optimum 7, we practice what we preach, and we have used this YouTube SEO strategy to rank for certain terms that we were not able to rank for before. For example, the term Shopify to BigCommerce is very important to us, and it is very relevant to our services, as we provide migration services to migrate e-commerce businesses from Shopify to BigCommerce. This is also a very competitive term, but as you can see here, we rank on the first page of Google search results with our YouTube video. Here's another term, Magento to BigCommerce. Again, relevant to our e-commerce migration services. Not only do we rank on the first page, but we're also the only video on the first page, and we stand out. Here's one more, another term that is very important to us, BigCommerce development. Again, we're on the first page with our YouTube video. All of these terms are highly competitive, and it is very important for us to rank on the first page for them. We were able to do just that by implementing this YouTube SEO strategy. This is one of the easiest, cheapest, most simple ways that you can rank on the first page of Google search results. So let us implement the same exact strategy for your business so you can start dominating the first page of Google. Contact us today.